All right, round 2. Let's see, no falls today. No falls. Hopefully camera angle's a little bit better. Let's get a bit of a warm-up in. All right. Trust the sand today. A little tentative here from last week's spill. It's only 2 weeks ago, or 2 days ago only. So we'll try to make today a little bit cleaner, a little bit smoother, get a workout in. Girlfriend's texting as I'm riding. She'll be mad. We'll get the legs warmed up. We'll get across here. Water's dripping a bit. Oh, a little bit of a washout there, but we saved it. Legs are burning. That's good. Get them warmed up. Manual. Shitty manual. Okay. Oh boy. Legs are burning good. Don't want to fall down there. Ooh, alligators. Lots of wildlife in here today. I can hear them scurrying everywhere. A little bit of a climb here. Big one's coming. All right. Now we'll settle in here to this climb. Drop our gear nice and low early. And get up the hill. Oh, damn. That was a little rough there for a second. Whew. All right. It's early in the ride for the biggest climb there is here. And there we have it. That's it. That's all there is to that climb. But it's punchy. The grade is pretty steep at times. Whew. Yeah. Heart rate's up. Let's turn the video off for a second. Check my phone. Check in with the girlfriend so I don't not have one by the end of the ride. All right, we're back. Checked in with the girlfriend. Caught my breath. Just been a couple minutes. And we'll get in some downhill. Into a berm. Right back up the hill. No problemo. We'll go route side this time. And they're not even there. All right. Let's get some speed. Gear up. Seat down. Very loose sand here. Comes right back in to that uphill with the loose sand at the bottom. I need to gear to my easy gears quicker there, I think. All right. Into some soft stuff here. Don't want to go over the ledge. Here are the fun berms. Gotta take that very careful. That's a fun section, but the consequences are tough there. The berms are fun, but if you miss them, there's a steep ledge you're going over, and it's not a fun place to go over. If you look to the right, that side of the trail there, that's probably the best part of the trail, but we're 2 miles from that, coming back to that. It's on our way back. All right, a little grade incline here, increase. Man, all the animals are playing tricks on me today. I feel like there's other riders coming up on me, but it's not. It's just animals. Let's get up high. And I've been washing out here a lot, so that was much cleaner than last time. Trying to get ready for an upcoming trip to the mountains, get my endurance up, get in better shape to be able to really take advantage of it. Now we're out in the sun. More cross-country trails here. Coming up on the mega fall location of Thursday. Get those legs working. I just use this section mainly catch my breath. This could be a very fast and flowy section, but it's not a whole lot in that part. Rather save it for this part coming up. About here, get up this little ridge, tiny little ridge. We got some rollers coming down here. Let's drop the seat and play. Here's a good jump. And not a great landing. And that's it, really. You know, it'd be fun if there was some downhill leading into it. There's not. Just pump this. That's a fun section to really just work on some technical stuff, being comfortable in the air and your turns, and you're balancing on your bike. And I've been doing this long enough to give anybody pointers, but you never know. I may say something from a beginner's perspective that might just help somebody out. And I suppose I'd need to post this somewhere for somebody to see. Let's get into some fun here. Let's drop into this one. There we go. Go high on this one. Very soft on the inside. And I don't really like that line, but it's what we got to work with. Huh. Let's get the gearing right. This is all leg muscle here. A little bit of air there. And they're very cross-country-ish here. Let's see if we can pump this good. Not really. I get very sketched out about how sandy the top of that is. So last video, this is where we stopped. Aaron and I stopped right here, right before we dropped in, and I went full tilt and ate it pretty bad at the bottom. Let's see how we do this time. It's a little bit of a double. This is not. Stay low on the bike. Try to pump it. That's a double. That's where I ate it, right here. So, take it a little bit easier. Manual. And let's go in and drop into the woods again. Nice good drop in here. To the bridge. Yeah, limited brakes there. That's good for me. Oh yeah, that's better for me than I normally do. I feel good about that. Woo! Let's see how much speed we can carry through here. I really like the woods, much better than the field. This spot's fun. Always go the hard route. Good drop here. Got to get way back on your bike. Pretty simple. Once you do, you need that momentum to get that. All right, let's drop the gears down. We got to climb, a little bit of one, a little bit of rest here. It's weird to say rest on the climb, but you can really take advantage before you drop the seat and gear down. All right, here we go. I braked in a little too much there. There's definitely times I've done that better. All right. Sure, better riders jump that root that was back there. Maybe I'll try that next time. I'm real excited about this trip coming up, and Brian's coming with me. Brian's my brother, and that's the kid that is responsible for all the shenanigans I get into. If it wasn't for him, I never would have started riding. So that's awesome. Kudos to him for getting me on a bike. But he hurt himself and his confidence is a little bit low. So he's a little intimidated and uses brakes a lot. He won't lean into anything like that. And because of that, sections like this, he's climbing from a dead stop. That dead stop zaps too much of his energy coming in to the trail. He's not using enough of his momentum like this. And get into everything and use the berms and pump. He's got to somehow take some of these a little bit quicker and build that confidence up. Learn his gearing. When it comes to stuff like this, he can get up top here and dig into the bottom of that berm and really dig in there. Now, it's tough. He's not gonna be able to do it without taking a couple spills. So, this part always gets me. Just jumps up at you. So we got to work on Brian's confidence level a bit. Pushing the legs right now. A very hard gear. Let's just use this as a little rest area. Okay. That's a fun section. You come into this, let's go the hard route, up over the wood. There we go. I had a friend Gabriel go over that, caught his front tire on that first wood, went over. Last time we rode here together, it's our first time and only time. That's just a product of not getting your weight back. You almost gotta lift your front wheel up and over that. This is a fun little drop here. Just a baby drop, really. There's nothing here that's very technical. There's nothing here that everybody couldn't do at a slow pace. So it's a good place to really come and work on your skills, because it gets harder the faster you go. Just like anything, I would imagine. Ooh. I had a little washout there, but with time, you learn how to save it. This spot, oh, that was a bad line through there. Let's see if we can't do that better. All right, that didn't work out so well. So let's continue on. I gotta get better with my camera. Let's continue on and let's get down here. Stay off that loose sand, pick a good line around the roots. That's a good gear change. Not my best of sections, but you know, after all, I am still a beginner. All right, this is the best part here. Stay low on the bike. That's fun. We're coming up to my favorite part here in just a tad. Nice and low. Yeah. That's a good turn. Nice and wide. Lay the bike over. Woo! Better line there. Whew. Pretty smooth. I mean, for me. Been riding flats for a while now. I was on clipless. Oh, that was dumb. Well, I didn't take any momentum coming into this. So now I'm suffering the fate of my brother. Climbing that little hill with no momentum. Whew. So I'm gonna rest up a tad here, because this is my absolute favorite part right here. Coming up. Very loose here, but we made it. Oh. Get my weight forward here. Oh, see that? It's rare I missed this little uphill there, and I'm a little bummed out about it that time. I just didn't get my weight forward. My left front wheel was picking up, and that's my mistake as a rookie. My weight not right, and taking sections too lightly. But now, because of that, I'm gassed. Whereas normally, I come out of there with a lot of juice left. So, note to self, gotta be looking ahead, know what's coming, so you're prepared. Because right now, I got nothing. Whew. Let's go for it. Fortunately though, I knew this was back here, and this is a rest area for me. It's kind of cross-country-ish. Taking it fast. I mean, you can go real fast here. I wish there was a big downhill associated with this part of trail because it's smooth. The turns are slight. This is a great area to really practice your high-speed stuff. But instead, you come into it after that punchy little uphill, and it's a rest area for me. So I can do this. And I don't know if this is a double. If it was coming down a downhill, I'd say, yeah, it's a double. But now you can roll it right into this guy, manual that, and really berm the heck out of that thing. And that's fun. That's one of my most fun sections there. And as I got better with berms, it's more about getting into it fast. Now we got some fun downhill stuff coming. It's coming up. It's my favorite part. I know I've been leading you into it. This big berm. A lot of brakes for me there. I don't like that ledge on the other side. Manual down this, right under the bridge, a little jump. That part's really fun. Oh, and that's twice now I've washed out there. Huh. Okay, squirrels everywhere. Oh, that was better. All in preparation there. You're in baby gear. You gotta get your legs moving before you hit the steep stuff. Wow, my heart's beating. All right, I want to be ready for this part, so time out. All right, here's my favorite part. Woo! Oh yeah, that section's so much fun. Oh yeah, I've done that better than I have in the past. Now we get into more of the roots and tight turns of the stuff back home. Okay, into the sunlight. Oh, I dragged my pedal. I feel like a lot of this is meant not to pedal through some of these routes. I like to keep that momentum going. Sometimes I make that mistake by not timing my pedals correctly. Oh, bad turn. A slow, steady rise here through the trees, winding our way back. I don't know if I've ever done that before. A little creek crossing here. Only from the rains. That's not there when it's dry. Whew. Get up the hill. Arr. I did that last time too. Whew. It's hot today, 92 degrees. So a lot of fatigue there. I use more brakes than normal because I'm tired, I'm sitting. We'll drop the post here. Okay. 4 miles in. Means we're getting close to the end here. Oh, man, I was afraid I was going to miss that. Whew. Well, we're getting a good workout in today. All right, back up here. That really is the key to baby gear. Get those legs moving first. As this grade steepens here, let's go all the way up here. Let's make this really hard. Oh, shit. Couldn't make that turn. Oh, all right, we're gonna have to pause after that. Whew, and we're off again. It was about a 2-minute rest, pee break, get my heart rate back down into the 170 range after that attempt to climb that extra section there. That's left me pretty gassed. Now it's a little bit of rest, a lot of rest time in here. Okay. Woo! That was good. That was good. Done that better than I ever have. A lot faster. Took that jump in there. Never done that before. I really like the forest stuff here. Oh, very ledgy right here. Don't want to go off that. All right, get the legs moving early. Steady your line. Yeah, see that? Much better. Oh, goodness. Really pushing it today, as I am every day. Sorry for the bobbing. I'm tired. Shortcut. Oh, that was good. My shoulder's getting tired. Oh, they take that next time. Whew. Well, gotten so much better riding the flat stuff. Just from running BNP and blue clay. And I'm the only one here. Ooh, that was fast. Faster than I've ever done that. Well, I'm definitely in much better shape than the first time I ever rode here about a month ago. Boom shakalaka. Let's go around the first half again. Just extra workout here. I definitely don't have 2 laps in me, but a little extra warm down here. You can tell, just that berm right there, I'm way more comfortable leaning the bike over than when we first get on the trail. And you really can't underestimate the importance of the warm-up. So you get out of the car, you get on the bike, especially when you're a beginner rider like me, everything's a little tentative. But now, after you get the feel of the bike, 5-6 miles, you just don't even think about it. You just lay it over. A little too much there. But that's what it takes. Your comfort level needs to grow and expand. Just get out there and ride every chance you get. That's what I do. That's what I encourage my friends to do. Heck, I'm trying to get all my friends onto a bike just because they don't know what they're missing. This is just so free and fun and challenging and so good for you. You get out into nature, just you in the forest. Let's think about our ride today. It was just us out in the woods, pretty easy trail, works you cardiovascularly, gives you sections for you to push yourself with speed and getting air and berms, downhill, uphill. For a beginner to intermediate rider, this trail is perfect. There's nothing technical. There's a couple drops. There's no rock gardens. There's no wooden bridges or skinnies or any features like that. It's very accommodating to all skill levels. So you can ride as a beginner, but you can also get joy out of it if you're in an intermediate or even an expert level, if you push it fast. Some of those berms with those ledges and the consequences, I would love to see some of the guys that I follow online, Single Track Sampler, Alexander, Skills with Phil, Seth's Bike Hacks, those three, those are my favorite. I watch so many of their videos, I feel like I know them and they're my buddies. Though I've never met them, they're way better than me, but I get the feeling like it wouldn't matter. It wouldn't matter to them that they're in another level. They'd be all about getting me to my next level. Trying dumb shit like that. I don't know. Those guys can do all kinds of cool stuff. I'm not there yet, but I go out on my street to the end of the road to a little hill, and I practice getting comfortable riding up the hill forwards, down the hill backwards. Bunny hop, 180 at the top of the hill. And I just work on that stuff, and every day it gets a little better. So that's what it's about. Guys, appreciate you coming along on that ride with me today. It was fun, as always. Now it's time for a beer. I know Alexander would love that, and if he was here, no matter our skill levels, he'd be cracking a beer with me. So thanks to you guys, thanks to Alex, because I definitely live free, ride hard, and stay stoked. So thanks, Alex. I'm gonna upload this into one of yours, and I'm soon to be a Patreon member. So thanks for giving me the stoke and getting me out there. You!